Hi guys, I'm Heather and I am back today with a type of video that I don't know. I guess I did last month, sort of. But I have not done in a long time because I have not had boxes in a long time. So I received a box from Influenster and it has been a long time since I've actually unboxed something from Influencer. I just kind of like fell off the website and quit doing it, but I like randomly got a survey and yeah, I got this box. I think it's skincare, but I forget who it was. I think I got it because I have old skin. Yeah, so I'm not entirely sure what brand this is, but I think it's for like mature and sensitive skin, I think, which is why I got it. So let's see. This is the inside right here, and it's Clarins. Okay. Yes. So I guess this is the product they're advertising, this Meet Our New Power Lift Duo Extra Firming Serum and Eye. So yeah, that would definitely be good. I'm using the IOPay eye cream right now, and I don't like it that much. I like some products from IOPay, but this one's not doing it for me, so it'll be good to try something else out. So there are, I guess, 4 things in here, so let's see what they are. Okay, so I guess it's actually 2 different ones of the same thing. So I have this one, the Extra Firming Yo, I guess that's supposed to be. And it says this is an Eye Expert Wrinkles and Radiance. So the Expert Firming Wrinkle Control Radiance Boosting Eye Care combining the smoothing effects of serum and the comfort of a balm. So that's that, and I have 2 of those right here. And then I have this Extra Firming Phyto Serum. I have 2 of those. And it says a double visible lift effect for more beautiful features and skin that appears visibly firmer and smoother. So I think these are both for eyes. Maybe? Let's see what it says. No, I mean, I guess the Extra Firming Phyto Serum is just a serum. And the Extra Firming Eye is for eye. So, okay, so I guess, yeah, one is for the skin, one is for the eye, which is actually really good because I need both of them. So I am definitely going to try these out, and I'll probably start trying them out around now, and then I can review them in a little bit. So yeah, that is what I got from the Clarins Influencer box. And in case you actually don't know what Influencer is, it's a free website where you sign up and you can do reviews and stuff like that. And then they randomly like select you to do a quiz in which you may or may not get a free box. So, and then they have you do like, you know, video reviews or stuff like that on them. So that is it for this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.